Welcome guys, again we are back with animals. Get your sketch pens ready and let's go. Draw a body of a crab and give a cute smile. Draw two Pac-Man-like shape at the sides, making it as a claw and connect it. Draw its 6 legs at the sides and make its belly and detail that and color it. Draw a long curve and one more curve at the bottom, making it like a balloon in water. And draw a huge capital letter V and connect the lower part of it. And draw 2 leaves at the tips. And draw a big eye. It's nothing but the biggest guy in the world, the blue whale. Make the belly and draw the blowhole water and color it blue. Make a capital letter A and close the shape. Draw a stapler pin, one more pin. Okay, make it as a 5 and draw a few triangles at the bottom and draw 2 big eyes on the top and 2 curves by the sides of it if that's long, and extend the claws up to that body and make its cute little 6 legs and draw the antenna and color it red lobster. Draw a little dome in the center of the paper and draw capital C and 2 stapler pins at the bottom and connect all of them forming a shape and having a thick edge, and draw the other stapler pin on that side, detail the dome and have a beautiful eye and a little smile, color it. It's a tortoise. This time go for 3333, make the second digit a bit longer and connect the last one with that and connect the first one too. Draw the facial part of a fish and make the eyes. Draw the dorsal fin and the tail fin details. Make the oxygen bubbles and color it. Draw a capital C and extend a circle around it. Draw one more capital C and extend a curvy line with a swirl at the end. Draw angel wings and draw the dorsal fins and make the belly and detail that. Detail the nose and draw soulful eyes and also give the minor details to the wings and the fins. Draw a curve and one more curve from the point colliding each other. Draw a little curve in the center and complete the shape. Draw the dorsal fins and the big eyes and detail the fins. Color it. Draw a number 2 and a little number 3 at the end and a bigger number 3 at the front. Make a shape on the 2 and draw a soulful eye and extend from the front and the bottom and draw a wave, color a little ducky. Fill in the random shapes like diamond, circle, triangle and a semicircle. In the first fish, draw patches of green, and in the second orange fish, draw the dorsal fins and draw black stripes, marlin, and in the triangular fish, draw a triangular fin and a tail, it's a tan, and in the blue one, draw a shark, it's Bruce. Draw an incomplete circle and a huge dome by the side, and draw a line at the bottom of the dome and 2 stapler pins. Complete the shape with a sharp tip. Draw an L shape on the side of the stapler pin and fill the dome with patterns like pentagon. Draw soulful eyes and a smile and color a turtle. Draw an elongated C on the left and on the right a capital C with a moon shape, and draw a little C on the top middle part and a capital V. Join everything and make a soulful eye and a little smile and deadly V, and divide the body part with the belly and color it blue. Thank you guys for watching this video.